Imagine walking over an active volcano on a 1-inch wire.
No.
Are you imagining that? Okay,
No.
so this daredevil did it. That is, of course, Nick Wallenda in action. He slowly crossed the steel cable in Nicaragua live last night on TV with red hot magma.
Liquid hot magma.
Hot magma bubbling thousands of feet below. That's an Austin Powers reference for those of you who are wondering. At times, he appeared to pause as strong winds threatened his balance. It took Wallenda just over 31 heart-pounding minutes to safely clear the 1,800-foot wire.
There were actually people on social media complaining he was wearing a harness.
I know.
He had to wear a gas mask because it's 2,000 because there are toxic winds up there and it's 2,000 degrees
It's crazy.
below him.
It's those caring hearts.
Unbelievable.